Every breakthrough begins with a decision to stop settling for less. Gamers know the frustration of waiting for a system to catch up. Creators know what it feels like when hardware interrupts the flow of an idea. And multitaskers know how quickly a demanding workload can expose the limits of an aging machine. The problem was never the ambition, it was having the right tools to keep up with it. But there comes a moment when everything changes. Imagine sitting down and getting straight to work, launching your games without turning every load into a waiting game, moving between applications without constantly thinking about what your PC can handle, creating, playing, working, and switching between tasks while the technology stays out of the way. That is when a computer becomes more than a machine. It becomes an extension of what you can do. Meet the iBUYPOWER Slate Gaming PC desktop computer, featuring an AMD Ryzen 7 9700F processor, AMD Radeon RX 9060 8GB graphics, 16 GB of DDR5 memory, and a 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD. At the center is the AMD Ryzen 7 9700F. With 8 cores and 16 threads, it gives demanding games, everyday applications, and heavier workloads the processing headroom to keep moving without making every task feel like a compromise. Then there is the Radeon RX 9060 with 8 GB of graphics. That dedicated GPU takes the weight of graphics processing off the CPU, giving games and visual applications the dedicated hardware they need for a more responsive experience. And the 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD brings speed and space together. More room for your games, applications, and files, and faster storage designed to spend less time waiting for the things you need to load. The specifications are impressive, but they're not the point. The point is what happens when waiting stops controlling your workflow. You get your time back, your attention stays where it belongs, and the technology starts working with you instead of standing between you and the task. For the gamer, it means more focus on the game. For the creator, more room to turn ideas into finished projects. For the multitasker, a system built to handle more than one thing at a time. For the everyday user, a more capable foundation for what comes next. And for anyone building a serious setup, it means starting with hardware designed around performance, not compromise. Technology should never replace talent. It should give talent room to move. Some people buy a computer, others invest in performance, but the people who understand what technology can really provide are investing in something bigger. Time, freedom, possibility. Because every moment you're not waiting is another moment you can spend creating. Every bottleneck removed gives your ideas more room to become reality, and every upgrade is ultimately about one thing: what you can do with the tools in front of you. The iBUYPOWER Slate is not simply another gaming PC. It's a decision to move beyond limitations, to build a setup that's ready for the games you play, the work you create, and whatever comes next. Because the real power of hardware has never been about what sits inside the case. It's about what becomes possible when the person behind it is no longer held back. Explore the iBUYPOWER Slate and see if it's the right fit for your setup. Affiliate disclosure. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases.